Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a very late start. I normally wake up around 5 o'clock in the morning, and it was closer to 8 o'clock when I actually got up out of bed. So I guess I needed a little bit more sleep than I thought I needed. Anyway, last week I debuted my studio slash classroom slash office to you guys and also to my clients, and some of you thought maybe I was abandoning the van or questioned what made me decide to go back into a studio. And I'm still working in the van. I'm still in the van at least 75% of the time. I'm still working in the van. I need the van. That is my number one. And remember, I got the office space, the studio space, primarily to teach. I wanted to be able to teach more than one student because I can only teach one-on-one in the van. So now that I have the classroom, I can do up to 4 students, which I'm super excited about. And I'm able to also continue to spray tan my clients. Right now, I have to go to their homes to do it because the van is only about 6.5 feet tall, and the tent for the spray tan is 7 feet tall, so I can't spray in here. I probably wouldn't spray tan in here anyway because it's all white in here, and that would be a lot of cleaning. As much spray tanning as I was doing. So I'm able to spray tan in the studio space. So I'm excited about that. So again, primarily it was to teach, and I'm gonna see what happens within the year. I'm gonna give it a year and see what happens. And if I feel like it's not working out, then, you know, I will abandon the studio. But I think it's gonna work out. I'm really excited about it. So I'm very hopeful. It's going to be a little weird working in there because everything is within arm's reach for me in the van. So what I'm trying to do is put all my supplies and my products in the same order and in the same direction from left to right as I have in the van. So I don't have to try to rethink on where things are. It can be kind of seamless, going just from one place to the other. And I've also incorporated some of the same things that I have in the van into the studio space. For example, I have my makeup chair, the same makeup chair I purchased for the studio. The area rug is the same. The birch tree is the same. And the drapes are the same. So all of that is kind of the same. So the color scheme is the same. Oh, and also the vinyl flooring is the same. So just trying to be kind of seamless. So I didn't have to really think too much on a completely different color scheme. I just kept everything the same. So today, the cabinet is supposed to be assembled and put up. And I totally could have put up the cabinet myself, but there's only one thing worse than putting together IKEA furniture, and that's Amazon furniture. I just don't want to do it. And it was so heavy just to drag that box into the studio, so heavy. And that was already a deterrent for me. So I'm like, I gotta find someone else to do this for me. So I think Bob, the handyman, is going to do it. So we'll have to all go and take a look and see what that looks like. But that's supposed to be the cabinet that's right behind the door. I need some more storage space. And I didn't think I was going to hang up a cabinet at first because, again, it was supposed to be just for a classroom. I was just going to really put like the bare minimum in there. But I need a cabinet. I need a wall cabinet. So I'm going to put that up there. That's supposed to be done today. And then tomorrow I'm supposed to have a Zoom call with the guy who's going to update my current logo. So once I get that, then I can find someone to make my sign for me, to put my name on the wall in the studio and also on the marquee downstairs. So I need that as well. So that is going to be tomorrow. And I think what I'm going to do is check back in with you guys tomorrow. I will be meeting with clients in the van. And then when we're all done, then let's go and check out what that cabinet looks like in the studio. And then I also want to get your advice on some decorating ideas. I just need a second opinion. So I will check back in with you tomorrow. I got 9 hours sleep last night and I feel really good. They say when you get older you need less sleep. I feel like I need more. So I'm waiting for that day to come when I need actually less, so I can get a lot more done. Anyway, I'm on my way to see 4 clients within 6 hours to do 10 services. But before I do that, I want to stop by the studio to take a look at the cabinet that was supposed to be hung up yesterday, assembled and hung up yesterday. I just want to take a look at it, get excited about it, and then we'll be on our way to see our first client. Okay, so let's take a look at this cabinet. All right, let's take a look. Well, it's almost done. I guess that's the shelf. Or maybe that's what I'm supposed to do. Actually, it is done. I need to just put my shelf. Oh no, is it? Yes. I need to put the shelf where I want it to go. And this does not look right. I'll have to talk to them about that. Anyway, look, that's what's going on here. I don't think that space is supposed to be there. But, I mean, they put it exactly where it needs to be, I think. I think I have to adjust this here. I think I have to adjust that. I'll ask them about that. All right. All right. I wish I could be 100% happy with that cabinet, but I am going to reach out to Amazon. This is kind of like the worst thing to not be happy about, because the cabinet is very, very heavy if I have to ship it back to them, which I'm not going to propose that. I want them to probably ship out another one just so I can exchange the doors. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, I wanted to also show you something else that I wanted to get your opinion about that I totally forgot because I was so distracted by what I saw, that cabinet door. Anyway, man, if I could only have built it myself. Let's just get going. I'm gonna meet with these clients. I'll have to deal with that later. So I'll catch back up with you when I'm all set up. I made it. I am here. On the way over, I did call Bob. Thank God I did, because I was about to send a message to the Amazon seller just to let him know that this is not right. And the first thing Bob says is I have to adjust the screws because the cabinet doors are not right. So, which I did kind of mention that in the video, but towards the end I was like, no, this is not right. But anyway, he's going to adjust it. It just got really late last night and he just left it the way it was. So, or the way it is right now. So yeah, you see how lack of knowledge can just totally rob you of your joy. That was a perfect example of that. No knowledge, and I was like frustrated. So anyway, I'm here, I'm gonna set up and I'm gonna start with my first client. Okay, so I'll check back in with you later. Good morning.
Oh, sorry, I was sleeping.
Okay, my work day's done. That was a long 6 hours. Didn't really seem that long actually. So I think what I want to do is go to the studio and just kind of clean up because I will be working there tomorrow. And I think that Bob probably has not done the shelf yet, but we'll see. I need to let him know that it has to be done today actually because he can't get in there tomorrow since I'll be in there. So anyway, let's go to the studio. Guys, I'm back in the studio here. I've been here for a few minutes because I wanted to clean up because it was an absolute disaster this morning, but it's all cleaned up with the exception of that cabinet still looking the same as this morning. So I'm gonna have to talk to Bob about that. But I also came back here, not just to look at that, but to show you guys this mustard colored panel here, this room divider. I actually really do like the color, but I was wondering if I should change it to not this sage color, but to this color, this pattern. Should I change it to this pattern as opposed to keeping the mustard colored panels here? So why don't you guys leave me a comment in below. Leave me a comment below on what you think about these panels. They really do look nice. I don't know if it's translating well on camera, but it really does look really nice. So let me know if I should keep that color just to, you know, give a pop to the studio here, or not. Should I not do that, but change it to that? Okay, So let me know. And I am going to do a review of the Joshua Code for this week. I will probably do, actually I will, I'm gonna do a YouTube post, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video, okay? Good night.